How to use ChatGPT GhibliArt AI. It's a very simple process. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the GhibliArt AI website. After you're in the website, you can even log into your account, or you can simply tap on this try for free option. Now you'll be prompted to this kind of interface. From here, you can upload your preferred image from your device. Tap on it to upload your photo. Once you select your photo, right below that you can see the prompt section. There is a default prompt in order to create the Ghibli art of your image. Right below that, you can select the aspect ratio of the photo that you want. Once you select all these options, you can tap on this Generate Ghibli Image button, verify it. If it prompts you to sign in, you can sign into your account first, or you can simply use the Google account. It will take few moments in order to generate the Ghibli art of your image, so you will have to wait patiently. As you can see, it has successfully created the Ghibli art using the GhibliArt AI. You can now save this photo on your device. So that's a very simple process in order to create the Ghibli art using the GhibliArt.ai website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.